Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Zabbix server 7.4 with MySQL as database on RHEL 10. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to Zabbix official website, that is zabbix.com. Then see here Zabbix 7.4 is out now. Click on get Zabbix, then click on this Zabbix packages, then scroll down. In step 1 we have to choose platform. So then select the Zabbix version 7.4 is the latest one and select the OS distribution. I am on RHEL 10. So select Redhat Enterprise Linux, then select the OS version. If you are on 9, you can select 9. If you are on 10, select 10. Okay. Then Zabbix component, server, frontend and agent. Okay. Then database, as I told you, I am going to use MySQL as the database. Okay, if you want to install MySQL on RHEL 10, then search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL 8.0.43 on RHEL 10. Okay, then web server I am going to use Apache. So first verify these two prerequisites. Open terminal, then verify sudo systemctl status MySQL D. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See MySQL services running, quit control it. Now verify the status of the Apache web server. Sudo systemctl status http d. Hit enter. See init http service is not found. So install it. Sudo dnf install http d. Before running this command, go to new tab, localhost, hit enter. See it is not found. Okay. So install it. See, it is going to install Apache web server version 2.4.63. Okay, and these dependencies. So type and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the same. See, Apache web server is installed, but it is not started. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start id. Hit enter. Also enable it, sudo systemctl enable httpd. It is done. Now verify them. See, Apache web server is running and it is enabled. Okay, quit control A. Now go to new tab, give localhost, hit enter. See, we got the test page. Okay, so both database and web server is installed. Now step 2, install and configure Zabbix for your platform. So if you have any Zabbix packages, you have to go to this repo file and you have to add this comment, exclude packages equals to Zabbix star. Okay, I don't have anything, so I am not going to do. Then proceed with installing Zabbix repository. So copy this command, sudo paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now sudo dnf clean all. Sudo dnf clean all. Okay, it is also done. Next step would be, that is install Zabbix server frontend and agent. So copy this command. Don't copy the hash symbol. So copy this one. Then sudo paste it. Hit enter. See here, it is installing Zabbix server version number 7.4 and these dependencies. Okay, so type Y and hit enter. Type Y and hit enter. See, you have successfully installed Zabbix server. Control A. Next step is we have to create the initial database. So connect to MySQL server and create database, create user, then create privileges, then set this global variable value to 1. Okay, so connect to MySQL server and run these commands one by one. So copy it, MySQL -u root -p, provide the password of root account. Not only root account, the user which is having, so per user or create user and database permissions. With that user we have to log. Okay, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now create the user. See here, password. So okay, copy up to this by only. So control it, paste it in quotations, give the password whatever you want. Remember this password, later we need this password more than twice. Hit enter. Now verify users, select user from MySQL.user. See, we have created user Zabbix. Even if we can verify the databases, see, there is a database Zabbix. Okay, control it. Now grant the privileges. Hit enter. It is done. Now set this value to 1. Hit enter. Now quit. Now we have to import the initial schema and data. So copy this command from this jetcat to end. Don't copy the hash. Paste it. Hit enter. Here we have to give the password of this Zabbix user, that is captcha admin 8123. This will take 1 or 2 minutes. See, import is completed. Now connect to MySQL server and set this value to 0. So MySQL -u root -p. Paste it, hit enter, it is done. Control it. Now step D, that is configure database for Zabbix server. So go to this file, that is Zabbix server configuration file. Exit, sudo vi, paste that file with the entire path, hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Then scroll down up to DB password. See here, for the DB password you have to set the password. Okay, DB schema, DB user. See here, DB password, hash means it is commented out. Remove the hash, then shift A, then provide the password of the Zabbix user. Then save the file, WQ exclamation, hit enter. It is done. Now step E, that is start Zabbix server and agent processes. So copy this command, sudo, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now enable the processes. So copy this command, sudo, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now open Zabbix web page. We have to give HTTP hostname, then Zabbix. So get the hostname. See here, hostname is vbox. You can also verify. See, hostname is Zabbix. Not only hostname, you can give the IP address or loopback IP or localhost. Okay, go to new tab, then HTTP // then vbox, then Zabbix. Hit enter. See, welcome to Zabbix 7.4 and select the default language. I am going with the default English US. Then click on next step. Then see here, check for prerequisites. All are green and okay. So click on next step. Then MySQL database type is MySQL. Then database host name is localhost, because MySQL is installed on this one. If it is installed on some other, then you have to provide that host name here. Port number for the MySQL is 3306. Database is Zabbix, user also same. Then provide the password of this Zabbix user. Then click on next step. Not now. Now Zabbix server name. See, Zabbix is installed on this one, so give vbox or localhost. Then default time zone, I am going with the default. Okay, if you want, you can provide any one of them from the list. Then remaining options I am not going to configure. Then click on next step. See, this is the pre-installation summary. For work with all the settings, then click on next step. See, congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend, and this is the configuration file location. Okay, click on finish. Now we have to connect Zabbix. So the username is admin, password is small case Zabbix, but here A must be caps. I will keep the username and password in the video description. Okay, then click on sign in. Not now. See, we have installed Zabbix server version 7.4. Now go to users. See here in the left side we have dashboards, monitoring, services, inventory, reports, data collection, alerts, and etc. Okay, now go to users. See, this is the user. If you want to change the password of this user, click on admin. Then you have to click on change password. Okay, if you want to create user, then go to here and click on create user. Okay, the last option that I want to show you is go to here, sudo systemctl stop http d. We have stopped the Apache web server. Now reload this one. See, we are unable to connect. So Apache server must be up and running. Sudo systemctl start httpd. Hit enter. Now reload this one. See, we have successfully connected. As I told you, we can also connect by using localhost, then /Zabbix. Hit enter. See, we got the login console. Even we can give loopback IP. This type. See, you got the same. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure Zabbix server 7.4 on RHEL 10 with MySQL as the database. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.